Hey everyone, today we're going to be reviewing the DNA funded prop firm. I'm going to show you some of the best features behind it, show you a little of the dashboard and the platform that they're using, and we're going to see if this prop firm is right for you. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell notifications for even more trading content, and let's get into the video. So if you're someone who's looking to trade with a prop firm that offers flexibility, low fees, and access to over 800 tradable assets, then this video is for you. So we're going to go through all of the benefits of DNA funding. I'm going to show you what the spreads are like and give my honest pros and cons of this entire prop firm. Now, one of the best features about DNA funded is that it's backed by its own broker, DNA Markets, and that just means that you're going to get better execution, lower latency, and more trust as well, knowing that this prop firm isn't going to go under. And they give you the ability to trade on one platform, and that is the TradeLocker platform, which, by the way, is super clean and has TradingView integrated straight in it. You can see a little preview right here. You can trade Forex, indices, commodities, stocks, crypto, and with the stocks you can get ones from the New York Stock Exchange, the German Exchange, and many more. What I like about DNA funding is the fact that it's got 800 tradable assets. You can see all the spreads and pips on this page right here on DNA Markets. They offer really low spreads on the Forex section. For the majority of pairs that you'll be trading on Forex, the highest that they'll go to is 0.2. And you can trade a massive range of crypto options with this prop firm, which is something that I really enjoy. So if you're someone that enjoys crypto trading and on other prop firms you feel like you're only limited to Bitcoin and Ethereum, then this prop firm might be a great choice for you. The maximum funding you can get is 600k, but this is obviously with the scaling plan. There's a one-phase challenge, a two-phase challenge, and a rapid challenge where you can try and pass the account in 10 days. First, let's have a look at the one phase. We need to trade a minimum of 3 trading days. Your profit target is just 10%. Your maximum daily loss is 5%, and your maximum total loss is 6%. And you also get 1 to 30 leverage with this one-phase challenge. You can start as little as a 5k account for $59. Your 10k account would cost you $89, 25k account would cost you $179, your 50k account will cost you $319, 100k account will cost you $619, and your 200k account would cost you $1,209. Then you've got a two-phase option where again you need to trade for a minimum of 3 days. Profit target in the first phase is 10%, then in the second phase it's 5%. Your maximum daily loss is 6% and your maximum total loss is 10%. So this option might be best for people who just like that extra amount of drawdown. On a two-phase you also get a slightly higher leverage of 1 to 50. Your 5k account costs you $49, your 10k account costs you $79, your 25k account costs you $159, 50k account costs you $289, your 100k account costs you $549, and your 200k account costs you $1,079. Then we're getting to the rapid challenge where you don't have the 5k option or the 200k option with this. It's only the 10k, the 25k, the 50k, and the 100k. Your profit target is very generous. This is 5%. So if you feel comfortable in your trading knowledge and your ability, then a 5% profit target is absolutely amazing to be able to pass a trading challenge. But then you've just got to factor in the maximum daily loss, which is 4%, and your maximum total loss, which is 5%. But when you compare this to the one-phase challenge, considering the maximum daily loss is 5% and the maximum total loss is 6%, especially if you feel comfortable with your trading knowledge and everything else like that, the profit target of 5%, if you really want to get funded as quickly as possible, the rapid challenge will be a great option for you. One great factor about DNA funded as well is during the evaluation phase, you can trade however you want. Algorithms, scalping, latency arbitrage. So you can use those methods to get funded as quickly as possible. But once you're funded, those aggressive strategies are no longer allowed. So your payouts can be requested every 14 days, but with this prop firm, you get some additional add-ons. So you can boost your profit split from the base rate of 80% all the way up to 90%. And you also get the early payout booster. So this basically saves a week on your payouts. If you add this to your challenge, you'll benefit from a reduced payout frequency from 14 to 7 days. Now that is a really great feature, to be honest, especially considering a lot of the other prop firms that are out there usually only do bi-weekly payouts or monthly payouts. To have that extra option, especially if you enjoy getting as many payouts from your prop firm as possible, obviously a great option. But obviously it's an add-on, so it will add an additional price onto your account. So let's say, for example, we'll go with a 50k two-phase account. At base rate, this would cost you $289, like I mentioned before. Your profit split add-on will add on 20% increase, but if you do both, it's just 30% increase onto your whole entire challenge. So it costs you 30% extra to add all of those add-ons, but if you use our promo code STT101 and apply the coupon, so if you use our promo code, you don't even have to get the add-ons, but you save 20% on this account. You can pay by crypto, you can pay by credit card, and there's a range of different cryptocurrencies that you can actually pay this prop firm with. So once you get your funded account with DNA funded, this is what the dashboard looks like. It's very simple, very clean, and this is also where you'll be able to find your credentials to log into TradeLocker and then place your trades over here. It tells you exactly how long is left before the reset on your drawdown, and just shows you how far you're going into your drawdown as well. And to log into TradeLocker, just get your credentials from this section right here, then go to platform TradeLocker and log in through TradeLocker, and then you'll be on TradeLocker. So it's really simple to use if you've never used it before. All you got to do is come over to the right side of your screen. You can input whatever instrument you like. Even though TradeLocker is the only option to be able to use, I really like the idea that you can use this platform. One of the only downsides is the fact that it only supports TradeLocker, but I do believe TradeLocker is still a great platform, and it's really simple to use for traders of any level. But if you're someone who prefers MetaTrader or CTrader, it might be a deal breaker for you. But what's really great is the range of assets that you can trade on this, including so many different crypto pairs, which I absolutely adore with this prop firm. They've got such a great community support section as well, and the Discord at the moment only has 1,000 members. So everyone in the Discord is constantly replying back to you to help you with any queries that you may have. And because it's backed by its own broker, especially for the Forex pairs, it's got super low spreads and commissions. From a research, it's $2.25 to open and $2.25 to close per lot. And when you compare this to other prop firms, these usually charge around $6 to $8. So if you're trading high volume, if you've got a 100k account, this is a massive deal. If you're liking the look of DNA funded and love the fact that it's backed by its own broker and has so many different tradable assets, then click the link in our description below and sign up today. You can also find our full in-depth review if you want to find any other little details about DNA funded. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, comment with any questions you have down below, and subscribe to us for more trading content. Thank you for watching.